Welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. First up this evening, Energy Minister Daryl Vaz is taking the Jamaica Public Service, JPS, to task over its failure to meet its timelines to return power to all of its customers post-burial. Now, come Monday, one of the JPS's self-imposed deadline for restoration will expire, and the Energy Minister is demanding answers from the JPS and the Office of Utilities Regulation, O.U.R.
I want to know from the O.U.R. and the JPS, what are you going to do for these customers who have only been restored in August and now those who have been pushed back to the end of August? And I want to know from the O.U.R. in relation to whatever fines are levied on the JPS, how is that money going to be used to help those persons? It's no sense putting it in a bank account, That money must be reinvested and to help those long-suffering customers who should have gotten back light long ago and have not gotten back light.
The Energy Minister says he will once again be writing the O.U.R. and the JPS for a comprehensive update on the affected areas and restoration efforts.
My call on JPS and O.U.R. now is to issue a complete and comprehensive report in relation to parish, what communities are still without, how many customers are still without, and when can they expect to be restored. So the bottom line is that the last dates that were given were for the 12th of August. So we need to know now, from the 12th of August, where are we in relation to the St. Elizabeth, which has to be isolated based on the fact that they are now pushed back to the 31st, and the other areas that were to be restored by the 12th of August.
When?
And I expect that I'll get tomorrow morning. Tomorrow as cock put on him draws.